Hello and welcome to 303 Cooksmount Road here in West Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, fully fenced in backyard, and also a shed as well. Let's go take a look. Alright, we are now in the backyard, fully fenced in, and as you can see right there, there's the shed. So a pretty good size yard. And then you have the back of the home right here. Alright, let's go take a look inside the home. Alright, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come inside the home, you have your hardwood floors right here that lead into the formal dining room right here. And as you can see straight forward, you have your kitchen, very nice countertops. You have your stove, stainless steel stove, also refrigerator and dishwasher, all made by Frigidaire. Also a nice color for the cabinets as well. Coming out of the formal dining room, you have your living room. Your fireplace is right there. Also, you have your ceiling fan and pretty high ceilings as well. And down the hallway, you have all your bedrooms and bath on the left-hand side. This door right here is the laundry room. Also have some shelving space right here. And you also have a storage closet off the steps on the side of the home. Alright, we're going to make our way down the hallway. And to the left, you have bathroom number 1. You have your hardwood floors in here, and then you have your tub and shower right there as well, and a pretty good size mirror. Coming out of the bathroom, first door to your right is bedroom number 1. Decent sized bedroom. You also have your ceiling fan right here and the window that looks out into the front yard of the home. And also you have your double door closets. Right next to bedroom number 1, you have bedroom number 2. Same style, just flipped. You have your window right here. It looks into the side of the home. You also have your ceiling fan, double door closet, and also another window that looks out into the front of the home, and it is carpeted as well. Right next to bedroom number 2, you have your linen closet right here. And right next to the linen closet, you have your master bedroom. Pretty good sized master bedroom. It is carpeted in here as well. You have your ceiling fan and also a window that looks out to the backyard and also to the side of the yard. Here you have closet number 1. And right here you have closet number 2. And right off of this closet right here, you have the master bathroom. You have your light fixtures right here. And then you have your tub and shower combo, also your toilet, and a different color. You have a blue for the master bedroom. And then also you have your hardwood floors. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 303 Cooksmount here, located in West Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.